Hello guys, Gilson Away here. Welcome to my channel. This is review time for brown sugar mochi. This is a Taiwan made Taiwan dessert, and it's a boba milk tea on it. Ayan guys. Tingnan natin kung anong lasa nito. Kung milk tea nga ba siya at may maglatang brown sugar. Let's see. Open tayo ng isa. So this comes in 12 packs. It costs $3.99 per pack. Ayan. Mag-open tayo ng isa. Ayan. So ito siya. Lambot, pisil-pisilin. Let's see what is inside. It's real brown sugar in it. So let's taste. Sarap. Yeah. Kumayo sa milk tea guys. Talagang ano siya. Lasang milk tea with brown sugar flavor. So pa nga. Sarap. Smooth shape guys, so soft and smooth. So tata. And guys, para maubos ko yata isang dosana na ganyan. Yeah, it's a good dessert guys. And this is a Taiwan dessert. It says on the package. So, masarap siya guys. Masarap siya para sa akin. Napakasarap. So, maraming salamat sa panonood kay Lalang Jokes. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel guys. Mahalo noy. Aloha.